Hello everyone, my channel Junior Genius with Shrestha, and I am Shrestha here, and I welcome you all to my channel. Today's chapter is light, shadows and reflections. So let's start. But before starting, let's learn the topics that we will cover today. Number 1, light. Second, reflection. Third, objects around us. 4, sources of light. 5, transparent objects, translucent, and opaque. 6, shadows. And 7, pinhole camera. So let's start with light. Write a light. Yes. One second. Now what is this light? Light is a form of energy, right? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see things, right? It enables us to see things. Fine. So, but how we can see things? How we can see things? How we can see it? By the process of reflection. If the light is reflected, we can see. To our eyes, if the light is reflected, we can obviously see it. Now, what is this reflection? Reflection is the second, yes, reflection. What is it? It's the when light falls on a mirror. There's no space. I'm already here. Okay. When light falls on a mirror, it is reflected back or on a smooth surface. It is bounced back. And this process is bouncing back. This bouncing back is known as reflection. Fine? So the picture is like this. This is the light source. The light source which I'm giving to a mirror. Now, if we are taking a smooth surface, right, this is a smooth surface. Fine, this is a smooth surface. Fine, it is a smooth surface. Or you can take a mirror because mirror is very smooth, right? You can see this in the picture. You can see this in the picture. You can see a little bit. Yes. Okay. This is the mirror. You can see it's a very much smooth surface. Fine. So here from the here, light through is going. So here a ray is going. This ray is called incident ray. Now I have to write it down here also. Incident ray. Fine. Incident ray. And the ray which is reflecting back from the smooth surface is the reflected ray. Fine. Reflected ray. And where this both meet is called, this point is called the point of incidents. And this is a normal part, okay? Objects, right? Objects are happening. Sorry, not happening. Objects are there. Now, there are two types of objects. There are two types of objects. Very important thing. One is luminous objects. And another one is non-luminous objects. Fine. Now, what are the luminous objects? These objects are the objects that emit out light. I mean, objects means obviously what? Objects means non-living things, right? Non-living things. You see this? So objects that are there, luminous objects means the objects which emit out light, right? Which emit out light, which give out light, which give us light. Fine? As the object which give us light. Now, for example, if you take the example, you can take a lot of examples, right? There are a lot of examples. Right, yes. Example, it will be, you can take sun. Sun is a very good source of light. It gives us light, right? After you can take this example of star, firefly. After that, electric bulb. It also gives us light, right? Electric bulb. After that, I will not say firefly because firefly is actually a living thing. I will not say firefly. I will rub this firefly. Electric bulb. After that, you can take candle. A burning candle, obviously. Not a plain candle, it's a burning candle you need. Or else, though, you can't show the emission out, right? So, these are the examples. You can take these examples. Fine, you can take these examples. Next is non-luminous objects. Now, what are they? You obviously know from the name only you can understand non is written. Means they can't emit out light. Fine? They can't emit out light. They can't emit out light. An example, if you ask me examples, what it will be? It can be a lot of things. It can be whatever you choose. Wood, I can get wood. Wood because wood can't give light. It is many. If I give wood, if I give moon, etc. There are many. And here also we write etc. In aerospace. Fine. Etc. Not right. Okay, fine. Etc. Fine. I'll give you here also. Etc. Fine. That's the thing. So we have learned about, that's one more I said. We have first learned about luminous objects. Luminous objects means the objects, the non-living things are there that give out light. Luminous objects means the objects that give out light, that emit out light. An example, you can take sun, you can take star, you can take candle, a burning candle obviously, after that electric bulb, etc. There are many more. But non-luminous object means non-illuminating means no, they can't emit out light. Example is wood, moon, and many more, etc. I can't say all, okay? So all these things are the non-luminous objects. Now, which objects are there? There are two types of sources of light. Now, I told you about objects. Now, in this is objectively all the things of luminous objects. Now we will learn about luminous objects, okay? Luminous objects. Who are sources of light? They are the luminous objects. Luminous objects are the sources of light. Fine. Luminous objects are the sources of light. Very important. Sources of light, the luminous objects. Now, there are two types of luminous objects. One is natural. I will not say luminous object, but natural sources of light. Sources of light. Fine. And we have one more. It is artificial. Means which is, okay, let me write it down. Artificial sources of light. Fine. Now first is natural sources of light. So you can getting sun, firefly, and also can getting star also. Not star also. Star also. Star also. So what are the natural sources of light? They are the sources that are made by nature, right? By nature it is made. But the artificial sources of light are made by humans. So we have a lot of examples of that. We have candle, a burning candle I will say, not a candle, but a burning candle. A light bulb, a tube light, a lamp. So all these are the man-made sources of light or artificial sources of light. See, both of them are luminous objects. They both of them emit light, but some are made by nature, but some are made by humans. Fine. Yes. So now we have learned the sources of light, the objects. Now let's learn about the transparent, translucent, and opaque. Now first we learn about the transparent. Transparent objects. Now what are they? What are they? They are the objects that allow complete light to pass through them. Complete means my reading. Completely, they allow completely light. It's all the light. They allow all the light. All the light to pass through them. Like for example, here you have a glass piece. You have actually a glass. Glass is a glass tumbler. You have a magnifying glass. You have a spectacles. So all these are the examples of transparent objects. Now if I show you live, I have brought something for you. Transparent here is given also. You're getting this, right? So what is this? Is the glass, and this is a actually this is a transparent, right? It's transparent, so you can see completely. I'm going to show this experiment to you. We have this the light source. So see, we have light source also. We have a torch. Now let me show you whole light is passing through it or not. I think it can be shown. So let me show it to you. If the whole light is passing, means it is transparent. Not passing, translucent. See, or opaque. Okay, I think so. You can't all see because of the light which is happening. You can see this. Can you all see this? It is glowing. Because I'm going to put this side. Because the whole light is passing. I think so. All of you can see. Yes, it is glowing. Right? The whole color is glowing because this is a transparent object. The whole light can pass through it, right? The whole light can pass through it. And this is also example. You can take the example of clear water, crystal water, clear water. Take that example. So that I'm going to give you examples also. We're getting we're going to check. Okay, we will do the quizzes on. Fine. So examples include glass. We already showed, right? Crystal water, clear water, whatever you fit. After that, here we have spectacles also there. So many of there. So these objects allow complete light to pass through them. Okay, they allow complete light to pass through them. But next object is translucent. Now, what is the difference between that and this? One second. Yes, translucent objects. Fine. Now, what are they? They are the objects. That allow light partial or half. Light to pass through them. Light to pass through them. Fine. So the example you given your there are lampshades. Okay, lampshades. We have windows. We have the sunglasses. Okay, these are not spectacles. Okay, spectacles are transparent, but translucent are sunglasses. And we have some plastic bottles also, which we drink water, right? And that's our translucent. But I have two things for you. We will show translucent. One thing is this. Let me show it to you. Where is it? I got. What is this? Can you all guess it? What is this? This is the translucent thing. What is it? It actually tracing paper, right? So you can take example of tracing paper also. So the tracing paper. So can you see this? Can I show it to you? By the again the torch, I will show it to you. Light is passing. How light will pass? You always see, okay, clearly. But I think so for the light is not coming. Okay, but it will come. I'll show it to you in the front. See how it is coming. Can you see this part is coming? But like not like that whole. This is coming whole, right? This glass is coming whole. This is coming whole, but this coming half. Let me show you. It's coming half. See only this part, or the whole part. And I have also this thing with me. This is also translucent. This is actually like a bowl. See, some light is only passing, but not whole. Like that, this one is light is passing very much, right? All the whole light is passing. You can actually see the thing because it is reflecting. Magics are happening. So these two things are the translucent. You can take the example of tracing paper, which is a very good example of translucent objects. So I have getting example you can take of tracing paper, butter paper. I don't have butter paper now with me, but if I have, I'll always just show you. And you have colored glass, and all etc. Many more like this here: lampshades, windows, and glasses, plastic bottles. All these are the examples of translucent objects. Fine. Okay. Now we have computer translucent also. Next, but the last is opaque. Opaque. Again, I have done mistake. Opaque objects. Fine. So let's learn it. Now these are the objects that don't allow any light to pass through them. Light to pass through them. Fine. They don't allow any light to pass through them. For example, here we have I don't know what is this. This we know rock. There after this is that capsule. No, that the capsule thing that the capsule is inserted. Other the rangoli, I think so. No, these are the plates, dishes, all these. But I will show you live also something which I have bought. I have bought many things. See, I have a book right here. This is a book, right? You see, this is a book. If I put the light again in it, this can't be means this here you can't see anything. You will not see any light. You will check. Okay, I'm going to do it. See. No, can you see? But I'm on this. See, I'm on this. But you can't see any light in this part. Fine? So I've off it. Because of it's the opaque object. This don't allow any light to pass through them. Fine, I will take different example also, but I don't have actually. I can take this also. See, I have a bottle with me. This is a thermostat, I think so. Yes, thermostat only. If you put light on it, you can't see the light that side. Fine, because this is a opaque object. See, I'm live also. Fine. This is an opaque object. Example, you can take a book, rocks, many more things are there, etc. You can take wood also. Wood is a very much good example of it. Wood. Fine. Ooh, that's it. That's it. Now we've done the opaque object also. Ma'am, what is next? Next is shadow. Shadow. Shadows. Fine. Can you all see? Okay, now I will show it to you how what is a shadow. Okay, I will show that also. But first, let me explain what is a shadow. What is a shadow? So a shadow is happened when an object, actually opaque object, not the object but opaque object, when an opaque object comes in front of a light source. So if you have something like this, if you have the light source here, I'm going to show the light source like this. So if you have a light source like this, I'm going to draw. No, I actually can't draw it. No. I think this only. This is electric bulb. This is electric bulb, right? This is electric bulb. So if this light source, I'm going to understand this electric bulb because it is bad. I'm going to do like this. So think it is torch. My torch is, I know it's bad. It's a torch, it is on button and off button, all things are there. And here it is light is passing. Light is passing, okay? From here. Light is passing. But for this you need a screen also. Screen is here. You need a screen also. With the different color. Fine. You have a screen here. And your object is right here. Object can take a rose. Here, say a rose, for example, is there. I'm going to give something different. I'm going to take an apple. Fine. Apple is there. No, wait, okay. This is the apple. My drawing is bad. This is the apple. And what is happening? Light is falling on it. Light is falling on it. And what is happening here? A dark white. I'll not say white. It is dark. But if I do here dark, it will be bad, right? So I'm doing it white here. Okay. This is after a dark patch. This happens. This is a dark patch. See here in this image also can see the dark patch, but I can't show the dark patch because this is a black slide, and black slide, if I draw in black, you can't understand anything, right? Yes. So this is the light source. This is the light source. This is the object, and this is the screen. Now, if I show this to all of you, it will be difficult for me because the screen which is there, you can take a wall or anything. Fine. Screen will take correctly. Because I can't show this to you. Yes, I have my materials. I have opaque object also with me. I have a book, and I can take the light source. I'll go the light source, but it will be formed there in the wall which is there. But you can't see, right? So we will not show this now, but in one video obviously we'll show you. Okay, we'll show you. But today I can't show. Can it be here? Well, let me check. Okay, this book is there. Oh, this can't be. Okay. Next day we will do. Okay, next someday we will do. Fine. This is the shadow. Shadow is having like this. So here shadows are there. We have a light source. You can take a torch. I'm taking a torch here. It's bad torch. Yes, this is a torch, and you have put an object here. Is the apple? Bad apple. Everything is bad drawing. After that we have a screen. So light is going from here, and this image of this. An image of this is formed in the screen. Fine, an image of this is formed in the screen. Then we're going to show it to in the. Okay, I'm going to write it once, draw it in the second also. Here also I'm going to draw it, okay? Because that is a bad. So here we have like this. like this. Just drawing. Could take like this. Right here, here. One more. This is the torch we make. This is the light source. Light source. Finds the light source. So what is happening? Here's the object. Object will draw with different color. Okay, first I will draw the face. This is happening. This is also happening. So light is going from here. If you take it now, here is a screen. Bada screen. The screen is there. And we have an object right over here. In front of all of you, we have an object. Yes. Object is, I can take a. I'm taking an apple. Fine. Fine, this is the apple. And the shadow is having here. See? The shadow is having. This is a dark patch. Fine, the dark patch is coming. Fine, this is the thing. This is a shadow. A shadow is forming here. Now I can't. So again, I'm telling. I can't do it black. It's actually black. The dark patch is actually black, but I'm doing it with different color because this slide is black slide. Fine, I'm really sorry for that. I forgot about that. Fine, I forget about that. Okay. Yes. So okay. So we have done this also. And today's last topic which is there is pinhole camera. This also we will learn. Pinhole camera. Now what is it? It's a device. What is it? It's actually a device. Now before doing this, I would tell you that light travels in a straight line. Right? Light don't travel in the bent line. Light travels in a straight line. Very important. Light travels in a straight line. Very important. Go with this. Fine. Yes. Right in a straight line. Now, to experiment it, to demonstrate it, what you need is a pinhole camera to learn about it. So it's a toy device. It's actually a toy device. It's a toy. You can play with it. To study how light travels in a straight line. But this means this light in cinema means the rectilinear propagation of light. Now this is we learn in higher studies, but for now you only learn that light travels in a straight line. Of light. Fine. Now what to do with this? I'm going to explain clearly in this page. So what do you need for this? So you need two boxes. I'm going to teach you how to make your own pinhole camera. Okay. So let me show you. So we take a box. So we have a bigger box. Okay. No. You have a box of the shoes and all. Take a bigger box. Fine. You've taken a bigger box. Take a smaller box also. But the box which can slide in this, which can fit into this bigger box. One second. Okay. This is a smaller box. So how you take the box? One is a big box, small box. Now you take the small box. You do mark how to take the small box. A small box must slide in the bigger box. Means if this is the box, it must be fitting inside the box. Fine. Yes. It can't be. No, no, wait. Yes, fine. So the small box must be sliding in the bigger box. Fine, all of you? Is must be sliding in the bigger box. Is when it's fitting inside the bigger box. Fine. Now what to do next is in the bigger box which is there. I'm going to draw again the bigger box. Here's the bigger box which is there for all of you. I'll not draw it again. In the back side of the bigger box which is there, here will be a hole. Now how to do the hole? Exact in center to do the hole. First draw the diagonals here one side and here one side. Where they both meet, that is the place for the center. Fine. Think this is the line, this is the diagonal, this is the diagonal. So where the both meet is the center portion. Now in this portion you make a hole. Within like a pencil or a pen, whatever you need, you make a hole in that one. Fine. And the smaller box, the front, the back part again, you have to do a square cut. Okay, square cut you have to do. So, draw it correctly. Square cut. The square shape is there. After doing the square cut at the back portion of the small box, you must cover this part, this back part, with the trace paper. Means like this, tracing paper. With trace paper, you will cover it. You will cover this back. This back you will cover this trace paper. Fine, this back you will cover with this trace paper. Now, my drawing is bad, I know. Now, trace paper I already showed you. You take a double tape and do it, okay? Do it. Trace paper you take. Fine, and you put it in this side. Now, after doing all these things in the bigger box, fit. The bigger box is like this, right? The bigger box is like this. So fit the smaller box inside. Here, now bigger box will be like this. There will be a okay. Fine. So yes. Okay. Now in the bigger box with the hole, the small hole. Now this small box which is there, you take this which side is the trace paper, which you put this trace paper, put it inside this. Means here this side will be the thing, and you put this trace paper. I'll not say trace paper, but the small box here. In this you put the small box. Fine, you put the small box in such a way that trace paper and this square part will be in the back side. And after that, you just have to fit it inside, and from this hole, you can see the image. I can put here a candle. So I'm putting a candle here, but you will see something else. You will see if you're putting a candle here, okay? You're putting a candle here. You will see the image formed in this side, but you will see that it will forming like this. Ulta. Fine? Ulta image will be formed. Fine? It will be forming ulta. Or the upside down. Fine? I think so it's okay. Fine? It will be shown as upside down. And it will be compared to the main original thing, it will be a little bit smaller and it will be inverted image. Means the upside down image. Inverted image. It will be inverted. Fine? And we'll show a smaller size of the image. A smaller size. Fine, so all these things are there. So in this, so I have explained the whole pinhole camera to you all of you. See, again I'm telling the big box, from this particular point, you can see the thing. The trace paper and the square piece will be in the back side, and the box will be fitted like this. Here will be the front, which is only the the box, and back side a square cut and with the trace paper. Just going to fit it, okay? In that, fit the small box in the big box. It will be, you can see it. So please do it. request from me, please do it. Okay. So now we have learned the whole chapter. What is next? Next is test your knowledge. Means we will do some questions, some MCQs we will do. Okay. Some multiple choice questions we will do, and after that we will end the class. Fine. So we're at the end of the class only, we will do four to five questions, and then we will end the class. So the first question for today is here. So after first pause the video now, answer the question in the comment section, and then only see the answer. Don't see the answer first and then write the answer in the chat. Comment or chat, I will say comment, but first write the answer in the comment, pause the video, write the answer in the comment, and then only see the answer. So what the question is saying, first question. When an opaque object comes in the path of the light, it forms what? So when an opaque object comes in the front of the light, means light source is there. I'm again explaining to you, light source is there, torch or light source is there. Light source is there. I'm going to write L. A light source is there. It is putting in an object like an apple. Now, and it is forming what? In the screen, it is forming a dark patch. What is it? Forming a dark patch. Now, what is dark patch? It is actually the shadow of it. Fine. So the correct answer for this is option number B, which is shadow. Is actually this process called shadow. When an opaque object comes in the front part of the light, it forms a shadow. Fine. Very important question. Very much good question also. Second we have is bouncing back of light from shining surfaces is called. A surface is there, shining surface, or a mirror is there. What is happening? Incident ray is coming to here, right? Incident ray is coming. Incident ray is coming to here, and it is reflecting back. Fine, it is reflecting back. Yes. Oh my god. First we write it correctly. You know, it is coming like this, and it is reflecting back from, wait, and it is reflecting back. Fine, it is reflecting back and is called the reflected ray. And this is the point of incidence, and this is the incident ray. And we all know that this bouncing, oh my god, this bouncing back is called reflection, right? Reflection is called the reflection from shining surfaces. When light is bounced back, it's called reflection, and in this way only we can see the thing. Fine, it is reflected to our eyes and we can see the thing. So this is the thing of reflection. Third question. Out of these, which one is not a man-made luminous body? Means it is actually a natural luminous body. So see, natural luminous body means which is made by nature. It is made from nature. Fine, it is made from nature. And its luminous body means it can emit out light. So from these all options, electric bulb, burning candle, oil, firefly means Dugno, which is there, it emit out. It is actually a natural luminous body. Luminous body which can emit out light. But electric bulb, burning candle, oil, and not say oil. Oil is also there. Oil lamp will say. Not oil, but oil lamp. Oil lamp. Fine? Oil lamp. Which is there. So all these emit out light. But they are made from, they're made by actually man-made, right? They're artificial. They are not natural. So these options are obviously wrong. Fine? These options are wrong. And this last question is over here, which is the device to image the sun. We have a lot of devices, right? But the particular device which we most use As a toy device, right? A toy device which we mostly use, that is called, yes, pinhole camera. So imagine the sun, right? If you take a sun here in this, pinhole camera will show the sun ulta or inverted. Fine? So done. But before ending the video, I will sort of give some home activity to you, means homework to you. I will write home activity. Fine, home activity to all of you. So home activity is number 1. You must be doing an activity, that is, you must do reflected, not do. You must do one. Do reflected patterns or do reflection. Do reflection. You do the reflection. My writing again got bad. Yes. Do reflection using these things: a plane mirror, a opaque object, and a a light source. A light source. Whatever you feel, you can take. Torch, light, electric bulb, or something else. You can take. Fine. This activity is very much important for you. And second, you must make your own pinhole camera. Like what I have showed you. Pinhole camera. Fine. And third, you must collect some pictures. Not pictures I will say, but examples. Examples of transparent, translucent, or opaque, and or obviously not or, but and opaque objects. Fine? Opaque objects also. And this you will do with your friends. Fine? Don't do it alone. Alone is not so much good. You do it with your friends. And with this, we have ended today's class. Means I have to go back, Thank you, all of you. So let's end this class here only. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.